Here we are, Punta Mita for my birthday. Oh my gosh, there's a little mini bar. How great is this? This is the powder room, or it'll be probably our girls' room. We got a shower, sink, love that. Okay, but hello, look at this view. Amazing. Say hi, honey. What do you think? Love it? Woohoo! Love it. Here's our little living room. There's like the little mini bar area. Love that. Here's this little lounge, I think that sofa pulls out. That's amazing. And then the bedroom. There's the closet. It's got a little vanity here. Oh, my nachos are here. There's the bathroom. Love that. And oh my gosh, here's the bedroom. Gorgeous. Love this. Love it. How great is this? And there's the amazing view. Come out here. How freaking amazing is this? Love that. We got our little lounge chairs, our little plunge pool. And there's the view. Yes, please. And thank you. Happy birthday to me. I'll be 52 on Saturday and loving it. I love my husband, love my life. I'm a blessed woman. And yeah, how amazing is this? Punta Mita gets 2 thumbs up from me. Love it.